What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of this beautiful RS Camaro. I bought this one from one of my clients. It was actually my son Chris who went out and bought it, and he was an elderly guy. He got sick and unfortunately he sold it. It took him over 20 years to restore it. So we're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you wanna see all of our classic cars. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so e-brake does work, manual 4-speed, it's got manual steering, it's got power brakes. Let's test out the horn. Horn works. It's got the wipers. Windshield wipers are not working. Test the brakes out. Brakes feel good. Check out the water temp. It's reading about 170. All the gauges seem to work. We're really low on fuel, so maybe go put some gas. That's what we'll do. Now, the hideaways are not hooked up, so the lights work, but the hideaways do not. Third gear right now. Shifts great. We'll pop it in the fourth. It shifts all its gears perfectly. Check out that steering wheel. Drives nice and straight. Looks like it could use a front end alignment, which we'll have taken care of. And then again, the wipers don't work, which we'll have to get taken a look at. Speedometer works, RPM gauge works. Sounds good. It's got a good kick to it.
Right now we're going about 80. Accelerates nice. I mean, it drives really good, so that's definitely a plus. The guy that we bought it from, he was sick and he had to sell it to pay for his medical bills, but he built this car over the last 2 decades. We're gonna test the gas gauge now, put some gas in it. Right now I'm in 3rd gear. I'm going to downshift to 2nd. Downshift's nice. Clutch feels good. Got a lighter. Test the lighter out. See if the radio works. So it's got a CD player. It does turn on. Let's see if it's got anything in it. Radio works, but gotta find a valid radio station. Alright, so radio works. And then once we pull over here, we're going to test all the lights, make sure all the lights work. I do want to see what kind of power she's got. So accelerates the way she should. Sounds great. All right, let's test out the lights. So like I said, I got the lights on right now. These are not hooked up, but lights do work. Let's try the turn signals. We got left, we got right. Let me try the high beams. Okay. Check the rear. And then reverse. Okay. So there you guys have it. Like I said, guys, this car is a great driver. It will be up for sale today. We offer financing and free shipping all 50 states. So if you guys want it, we got it. At Bob Evans Classics. For sale now.